Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Alright, so I'm not going to show you all of them. I'm going to do a couple of them. They're cold. As you can see, they've already been seasoned. They were left over from a seafood boil. So if you don't want to rewarm them, you can take this cold crab meat, just like I'm about to do, and make a salad with it. So I got these big shrimp, size 1620. So I cut them in half. Now I want to cut them too small because I want like chunks of the shrimp in the salad. So I don't want to cut it. You can buy smaller shrimp if you want to, but this is what I had on hand, so I'm using what I have. Big shrimp. All right, so you can use a smaller size if you like. It's really up to you. All right, so I'm gonna mix the crab meat in with the shrimp. Alright, so you see some of it is a little bit darker. That's the part of it that's smoked on the grill outside. It smells so good, I'm telling you. It really smells good. Okay, so this is an easy salad, quick. Most time-consuming part about this was getting that crab meat out of those legs. So, and that's not really hard. The legs and the claws are not hard at all. So that's the most time-consuming part of this, so I'm just trying to tell you early on how easy it really is. All right, let's get some celery in there. At this point, I'm eyeballing it, so it's going to be hard for me to give you measurements. I'm eyeballing the celery and the onions. So white onions, you can use red onions, yellow onions, any kind of onions you want to use. It's up to you, because this salad will do with any of them. That's why I'm saying that. So it'll do with any of them. All right, so I'm going to use almost, not quite, a quarter of a cup of sour cream. Okay, quarter of a cup of sour cream. All right, and then we're going to start off with a quarter cup of mayo. About. Okay, so that's about a quarter cup of mayo, which is cool. All right, so get this mixed up. So you don't want to overdress a seafood salad. So that's why we use the mayo and the sour cream, because the sweetness of the seafood comes out, especially this crab meat. So that's why you don't want to use a dressing like a Miracle Whip. You don't want to do that. So you want to use the sour cream, the mayo, a cream cheese even. So you want to use something with a savory flavor so that the flavor of the seafood stands out. So now look, I put almost a quarter cup of sour cream and then a quarter cup of mayo. So check out the consistency of that. Perfect. That's why I'm saying you don't want to overdress it. So you don't want to put too much of the mayo or that in there. So you want to be really careful about that. Okay, so at this point I'm going to taste it. So keep tasting along the way, because that's going to help you. It's going to help you get a great salad tasting. All right, ground black pepper. All right, I'm going to list the ingredients, so it'll be easier for me to tell you. List it, but tarragon and some Cajun seasoning. Okay? All right. All right, so after seasoning, I'm going to taste it again. Taste it and adjust your seasoning. So adjust everything that's in there. All right, time for the citrus So put a little bit of lemon juice in there. A little bit of lemon juice, more tarragon. And probably about 1/8 of a teaspoon of that tarragon. Alright, so the rest of the celery, I'm not going to put the rest of the onions. I don't want to put too many. I don't want the onions to overpower the taste of the seafood. Actually, I want them to work hand in hand. So if you put too many onions, that's what you'll taste. A lot of onions. You don't want to do that. Okay. Alright, so this is good. We're almost done. I told you, it's a really quick, easy salad and so good. You can eat it a number of ways. You can eat it on a sandwich, eat it with crackers. You can eat it by itself. You can eat it on tortilla chips. You can do a lot with this salad. Alright, tasting again. A little more mayo. Alright, because I'm going to make it a little bit creamier than it was. So I put a little bit more. A little less than 1/4 cup. Alright, so look at the salad now. It's a hell of a lot creamier. That's what I'm looking for. A creamy seafood salad. And this is what it looks like when it's done. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.